Talk
Hi guys,
Linda.
you're welcome back to my video. It's another beautiful day with another opportunity, guys. I bring to you an amazing opportunity today. These care homes in UK are recruiting with visa sponsorship. So if you're a support worker, if you're a nurse, if you're a nursing assistant, I have something very important to show you guys. So without wasting so much time, let's just dive into my screen so that I can show you these homes and you apply as soon as possible. Guys, when you are applying, be intentional. Know that there's a lot of competition out there. So guys, try to be intentional. Apply aggressively. Let's go. So guys, the first care home I will be talking about today is called Just in Time Healthcare. So if you go to your browser and type gihealthcare.co.uk, this page will pop up like this. And what you have to do is just to scroll down and read everything about them. Before you apply for any job with any care home, you have to check on their website to see what they are into. When you scroll down through this website, you'll see many useful information like personal care, living care, respite care. Those are the things they are into. And if you want to know more about them, what you have to do is just to click on their services. It's at the top of the page and you will see what they offer. When you click on their services, another page will pop up and you just have to scroll down a little bit. You'll see something like personalized home care. The following are some of the areas which we cover: dementia or Alzheimer, domestic slash home help, learning difficulties, sensory impairment, social seat outings, overnight seats, respite facilities, complex care, hospital discharge, palliative, fast track care. Guys, it is always very important to read everything about them. If you continue to scroll down, you see something like types of support we offer. And they say for people of all ages, we offer a range of support and care options, including personal care, living care, respite care. I'll advise you to keep scrolling down and you'll see more. For example, companionship, overnight care, 247 care. Guys, if you want to work with them, know that those are the things they do. And they say let's say the recruitment process is, let's say they have 3 steps for their recruitment process. And they say, are you in need of service? Are you in need of services but prefer the comfort and convenience of receiving them at home? Look no further than our easy 3-step process. So guys, make sure you read about the first step, the second step, the third step. I'm emphasizing on this because so many people will just go straight to where they are applying and apply without knowing what they are getting into. And when you are shortlisted for interview, you start making mistakes. That's when you lose the opportunity. Make sure you read everything about them so that you have everything, or you know everything about them. Guys, now if you want to know if they offer sponsorship, you just have to go to international and click on international. When you click on international, it takes you to another page and it says international recruitment, senior carer, nurses, home carer, etc roles are available in the UK. So guys, if you want to work as a senior carer, you want to work as a nurse, you want to work as a home carer, they can also offer this for you. What you have to do is just to go down a little bit and you see something like eligibility, interview session, onboarding. That is their procedure. So guys, it is always advisable to read everything. And they say available position: senior care assistant, nurse, and home carer. And if you go down again, you see something like application criteria. They say, please note, these criteria may vary depending on the position you apply for. Guys, make sure you read everything. And if you go down, there's also something about international senior care assistant. Guys, make sure you read everything about it. Make sure you read about what they offer, you read about the requirements and everything. Guys, when you are done reading everything, when you get to the bottom of the page, what you have to do is just to go back to the top of the page. Then I'll be able to show you what you have to do to put in your application, because if you just click on apply now, it takes you nowhere. What So guys, when you are done checking on the website, what you have to do next is to click on join us. When you click on join us, another page will pop up like this. What you have to do is just to scroll a little bit down and you will see where you have to contact them. With them, you just have to contact them first and they will get back to you. And it reads, if you want to make a difference, to then get in touch today by calling our office on, that is your number, or alternatively fill in the form below to express your interest and we will be in touch with you. With them, there's no way you can apply. Just fill in this form and they will get back to you. What you have to do is to fill in your name, your email address, and your message. This message should tell them why you are contacting them. Maybe you want to work with them as a care assistant, as a nurse. Just explain everything on that message and then you click on send and they will get back to you. So guys, with them, you just have to first of all contact them and show your expression of interest and they will get back to you. So with them, it's very, very easy. The next job opportunity I want to talk about is the position of a support worker or support workers, and they offer sponsorship. As you can see, this job was posted just 6 hours ago and they are in need of support workers, not just one but many, and you will be working with Care Plus Healthcare Services. So guys, when you get to this page, what you have to do is just to scroll down a little bit and you'll see something like summary, and it reads, Care Plus Health Service Limited is currently seeking dedicated and versatile support workers to join our team in London and Southeast England. As a support worker or carer or a care worker, you will be working around Kent and you will play a crucial role in delivering exceptional care services to our clients, enabling them to maintain their independence and well-being within their own homes and communities. So guys, you will be working in people's homes. So go a little bit down or scroll down a little bit and read about their responsibilities. For example, deliver compassionate and high quality care services to clients, uphold the dignity and respect of clients in all interaction, facilitate clients' ability to remain safely in their homes and engage with their community, foster clients' independence and encourage participation in social activities. Guys, make sure you read everything. It is always very important for you to read everything. If you keep scrolling down, you see so many useful information. For example, skills, experience. To be successful in the support worker or care worker role, candidates should possess the following skills. This is very, very important. And remember, you have to read all of this because when you are constructing your CV, you have to use some of these words to put in your CV so that your CV will be good enough for you to apply for these jobs. For example, prior experience working with older individuals and demonstrating empathy. You have to write in your CV that you have experience in working with elderly people and you have empathy. Guys, make sure you make a good CV. Strong work team abilities and a willingness to embrace diverse tasks to ensure top-tier care. Guys, make them to understand that you can work as an individual and you can also work in a team. Demonstrated organization skills and adaptability in varying situations. Make them to understand that you have a good sense of organization and you can adapt very easily. These are some of the things they want to see in your CV. And they say attentive listening skills, integrity, and honesty. I know what they are talking about here about honesty. You have to be honest. When working with people, you just have to be honest. Proficient time management, make them to understand that you are very fast when it comes to working. You are able to manage your time very well. You are not slow, you are not lazy. Make them to understand that you will be able to take care of these patients according to the time frame, which is very, very important when you are working in the care home. Strong work ethics and dedication. Resilience in the face of challenges, guys. These are some of the things they take into cognizance when they look at your CV. So make sure you put all of them in your CV. That's why I emphasize for you to always read before making your CV. And they talk of the working hours. You have to read about the working hours. And they also talk of sponsorship. And it reads, committed to delivering the highest standard of care. We are in the process of applying for certificate of sponsorship from the Home Office. This initiative aims to enable us to sponsor skilled health and social care workers from abroad. By doing so, we aspire to attract exceptional talents worldwide to bridge skills gap and ensure the continued provision of exceptional care services to our valued clients. So guys, they can offer visa sponsorship. They can offer you with the certificate of sponsorship. So the minimum year of experience they need is 1 year. So guys, make sure you read everything. And they want you to have a driver's license or an international license that is up to the standards of that in UK. And you must be able to have your valid passport, your TB test, police clearance. Guys, make sure you read everything. And they need 2 professional references and a care certificate. The closing date is on the 25th of September 2023, which means you still have time to put these things together. And guys, to apply for this job, what you have to do is just to click for apply for job, and it will take you to where you have to apply. It is not that difficult. So guys, the last but not the least opportunity I have for you guys today is with the Wales Care Limited. Maybe I'm not pronouncing it very well, but you can see on my screen. If you go to your browser and just type walescare.co.uk, this page will pop up like this. And what you have to do, you know what you have to do. Just scroll down so that you read everything about them, because it is very important to know what they are into, guys. It is very important so that when you are shortlisted, they want to ask you some questions, you know what you are talking about. Don't just go to the page and start applying. No, make sure you read everything. For example, you read about their services. You can see they have they are into nurses, healthcare assistant, senior healthcare assistant, chef, and doctors. Those are the services they can offer. And if you want to know if they offer what I can say, if they offer visa sponsorship, just click on recruitment. I will take you to where you see international recruitment, and you just have to scroll down and it reads international recruitment. Wales Care Limited international recruitment. NHS nurse numbers are likely to be insufficient in the face of growing healthcare demand, made more pressing by the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. The government's 50,000 nurses target is achievable. It may still leave key service areas well short of the numbers needed. Our approach, please contact us if you want a free recruitment to UK. With them, what you have to do is to contact them. You see, it's clearly stated on their website that contact them, guys. Don't do anything further, just contact them. But if you want to read more about them, you can go ahead and read everything about what they are into. But what they're asking for international recruitment is just for you to contact them. And when you look at the top of the page, you see something like contact. When you click on contact and you scroll a little bit down, it gives you every information. You see, they have their contact details. You're filling your name, your email address, your phone number, your subject, your message, and you press submit. That is what they want from you, guys. If you also want to know more about the jobs they have, you can click on jobs. You see, they have jobs for nurses, healthcare assistant, senior healthcare assistant, chef, and doctors. So, guys, the only important thing for you to do with this care home is just to click on contact and then you contact them, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next video. Don't forget to make a very good CV. Tailor your CV according to the job description. Thank you guys, and see you on my next video. Bye.